On today's episode, I'm making personalized candles with my Cricut. Hey guys, I just wanted to come on and show you one of the accessory features that I'm going to put in my bathroom makeover. If you're like me, you spend a lot of time in Marshalls and Home Goods and anywhere else that sells candles, sniffing candles. So this one, which I really like, it's called Midnight Citrus, and it's made by Red Leaf Home. So it smells good. It has like a sweet citrus smell to it. And I really bought it because of the dark blue container and the wood. I really like how it looks. So I bought 3 of them. I bought one that's larger and 2 small ones. And what I'm going to do is use my utility knife to take off the price tag. And you can always use, what is it called? Glue gun, or wet it and scrape it off. There's so many different ways to do it, but I want to make sure that I get all the remnants off, because what I plan to do is use my Cricut to create some words and some designs on here, so the back label part won't be facing outward. And you can go ahead and take the label off if you want, but I'm not doing all that. I'm just going to take this off and let what I put on face out into the room. So like I said, you can use your utility knife just to scrape off the price tag. That's what's easiest for me. Sometimes it doesn't come off as easy as it's coming off right now, but this is a good thing today. And again, always be careful with your utility knife. Okay. There we go. And I'm going to use a wipe. I'm using an alcohol wipe just to clean up the extra bits. There we go. Nice and clear. So I'm going to go print out my design on the Cricut, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I have printed out my words on my Cricut, and I decided to use something that's very important to me, which is the Serenity Prayer. So I'm using the main words from the Serenity Prayer: serenity, courage, wisdom, and that's what I want to go onto my candles. I'm also using lotus flowers. They're in white, so you probably really can't see them that well, but I love a lotus flower. And if you don't know what a lotus flower represents, it represents pushing through, like, because of the way they grow in muddy water, but they push through and become beautiful, beautiful flowers. So I love the meaning of the lotus. So I'm going to put this onto the candles. So I will show you how that's done. Okay. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Look at that. I love it. So now it's going to go on to my, remove my sheet. It's going to go on to my large candle. I'm gonna use my little Cricut tool. It's kind of like a credit card. It's that same kind of concept that you use to put decals down. So I'm gonna use that there, and then peel this off. Ooh, isn't that pretty? So you really can personalize anything that you have with these Cricut decals. This is vinyl, and this is just white. And I'm gonna show you as I put the words on. I'm gonna start. No, grant me the serenity and the wisdom to know the difference. I'm gonna put courage on this one, since this tall one will likely be in the middle of the arrangement in the bathroom. So here's my courage. I'm gonna put it on to I'm centering it, and this is really just eyeballing it. You want to be technical and make sure that there's a straight line. You can always draw a line and then measure it up like that, but like I said, I'm just eyeballing it, and I'm gonna put that. That's what I'm gonna do for each one of them. So this is my courage, using my scraper thing again. Peel off my paper, and there we go. So this is what we'll see actually in the bathroom, see displayed instead of this. So I'm sorry, Red Leaf Home, but this is not what I want to see in the bathroom. This is going to add to my tranquility and my serenity as I use that bathroom. Okay, here's the finished product, and I absolutely love it. I love how the letters came out. I love how the white lotus stands out against the silver letters. I can't wait to put them into the bathroom as part of the final bathroom design makeover. They came out really good.